I think they're both supposed to be granola actually.
Both granola?
Body feels like you.
So we're at Chick-fil-A and we're kind of like, we're starting off strong. Real strong. So, babe, ¿pa dónde vamos?
To the racetracks.
Pretty much. But we gotta get some food before I pass out. Mira,
I know, same
like,
here, bro, same here.
Shaking.
And what's funny is that we told Christina, or we told everybody, right? Like, oh, do you guys want to eat something before like we go somewhere? And she was like, I could get something little because I already don't feel good. My head hurts. I'm super hungry and I haven't eaten all day today. Like, you could have just said, yeah, I'm hungry, girl. But she tried to like make it sound like, well, if you guys want.
I'm not ready yet.
If you insist.
So we got like an hour, something like that, around there. So we're gonna eat while we're driving and then probably stop by a store up there to get whatever else we need. Some snacks, some ice. Obviously, I'm Chito.
Christina. Cassandra.
Fermín.
This is the crew.
Le pegó un aire.
Alright, so we're gonna start driving and we'll probably be throwing the camera back and forth to each other, but buenos dias.
Camarón.
And then you go to your friend next to me.
Healthy breakfast. Why did the fish fail C school? Fail C school? Because all his grades were below C.
Okay, ahí te va, that was a good one. Ahí te va otra guacha. Si un león se come un pedazo de jabón, ¿qué le pasa? Ahora espuma.
Ah, that's a good one. Get it? Espuma, like foam?
Yeah, and like the puma, like the animal.
Espuma, yeah.
I got it for the wrong reason.
Why do books get sad at night?
It's so funny. Mariana makes me laugh because she's laughing for the punchline, bro. She's like, she did something.
She does that all the time. She'll go to tell me a joke and she just starts dying. She just tells me it and it's the corniest joke.
I know, like,
it's cute as fuck.
This one's cute. This one's, I mean, this one's really hilarious because they have to sleep all by themselves.
So that's what's doing it. Oh, that's what's doing it.
Alright, so we out here.
What's up?
What happened was I forgot the grill. The most important part. I got all this stuff for the food but no grill, so we found a grill.
And we got some snacks.
Yeah,
we got
another.
some more chairs because there was only 2. Something to drink, some snacks.
So now de aquí, I think we got like maybe 5-minute drive that way, and we'll be there.
Qué guapo estás,
Oh
niño.
dear.
Tú también, no te pongas celoso.
Go! Go, 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 go!
Oh, get ready.
Oh shit! It's orange juice, it's orange juice, it's orange juice.
We finished the grill. It's our prized possession, our favorite thing, huh, Cass? Yeah. ¿Qué onda, Fermín? ¿Ya se cansaron?
No, ahorita mira Chito, ya está ahorita. Bye, 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 bye. Puta, it's fucking hot, bro.
It's hot?
Está bien caliente. Está tuto, está tuto. Ay, güey.
Alright guys, so far, so good. The track's still open. We thought it was gonna close, but I guess it's still open. Watch la carne. That should expire.
Yeah.
My boy out here.
We need a new propane burner. We need a new burner.
New burner? You need a new burner?
Yeah.
Hey, if you guys want to sponsor us, a new propane thing, It'll be highly appreciated.
Yes. Yes.
If you guys want a burger, you know we gotta have that pepper jack cheese right here. So I messed up. Christina wanted some buns and I did this.
Un motor de alto nivel, la bocina,
Went out there for a solid like 2 minutes before I got tired. Proud of myself. It's a shake for sure.
What?
So you guys are lucky. You guys can you gotta shake. You guys want a long time. If you got no
They're gonna go out and ride again right now. We just ate right now, have some burgers. Well, we're picking up right now all the stuff that we brought. ¿Qué pasó?
Alright my friends, a little update real quick. It's really windy, but we just finished up riding. Honestly, we would probably be out there riding a little bit more, but we got some things that we gotta do back in San Diego, and it's like a little bit over an hour for driving. We're gonna go ahead and pack everything up real quick, and we're gonna get over to SD. You know what? Today was successful. I'm glad that we came, and you know what? We'll see you next time at the track, because we'll be back for sure.
So, en la situación en la que estamos ahorita, tenemos que ir a un juego de kickball.
Sí.
Pero el pedo es que the star over here, the fucking first stringer, she feeling it, bro. Like,
Where are we going, Chris?
To my kickball practice.
Lit.
Look at my damn legs. Kickball practice.
Se estaba muriendo la Cris por ir al baño, así que pasamos a una gasolinera.
She gets so much better. We're behind
There we go.
We're behind schedule 3 minutes. That's it.
It's all good.
I dropped it. I dropped that shit like my cheese when we were coming down. It was, the ETA was like 6 to like
It
20
dropped.
to like